Having diverse sources of income is the key to financial independence. In today's economic climate, it is important to have multiple sources of income if you want to create generational wealth and live a life of financial independence. Today, the internet offers lots of opportunities for generating extra income. Some of these opportunities are affiliate marketing, blogging, copywriting, social media marketing, digital marketing, and non-technical jobs which can supplement your regular income. Make sure to check my channel for videos on affiliate marketing and e-commerce. You will find great value here. The extra income that can be earned from these opportunities depends on how good your skills are in the field you select. Here are 5 ways to increase your income. Number 1. Do you have objects or clutter around your house which you are not using and could sell to increase your income? In today's digital world, starting an eBay store would be a great way to sell online. There are books and other resources available to assist you with becoming effective in using the internet, or even to design a simple website you could use to sell your services or merchandise. Having a garage sale is another excellent source to increase your income. Number 2. Do you have an effective budgeting system? A budget is an organized system that tells you exactly how much you have coming in and going out over a period of time. There are several types of budgeting systems that you can use. On the internet, there are different websites that offer free downloads for basic budgeting systems. Using them will make your life easy, and it is amazing that when money is managed correctly, it generates more. It is a well-known fact that the universe will provide more income when finances are managed appropriately. Number 3. Do you have an idea you are passionate about? Remember Alexander Bell? He invented the telephone. The telephone is an amazing invention. When you have an idea, go to work on it immediately. First of all, write the idea down on paper. Then work to expand the idea as soon as possible, while it is fresh in your mind. Continue creating the idea until it becomes reality. Seek advice and help from people who can help you. It could provide you with more income. Number 4. Start a small business. It does not have to be a big business, but with a lot of hard work and focus on long-term goals, it is possible. Learn from an experienced business owner who has already set up successful businesses. Number 5. Negotiate with your current employer for a pay raise by tactfully approaching your supervisor and asking for a pay raise. Make your case on why he or she should increase your pay. The key is to highlight what benefits you bring to the business. One of the key components of personal finance is income. Without income, it is very difficult to accomplish any meaningful financial goals. This is why increasing your income is vital. Make sure to check the description below for information on how you can get copies of my ebooks on credit and wealth creation. You will find value in them. If you found value so far, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more great content. Remember to hit the notification bell so YouTube will notify you when I post new videos. The next videos on the screen contain information you will love. Click to watch them now and I will see you there.